points, Jim, above estimates. There's some people asking why the analysts have been so far off the mark, at least on some of these, not just EPS, but internal margin estimates, revenue unit estimates. They've been blown away.
She put them to shame. Everyone.
All right, there we go. Good morning. Now we're live, baby. I think so too. I think Tesla shares are going to continue to drop. I mean, that's the headline here. Tesla shares fall. Oh, man. I love that, though. We're talking about this. We're trying to buy the dip today. We're trying to buy the dip. Let's go. No, I'm alive. I'm alive. Conspiracy. Let me hear it. Ralph was on the phone with Kramer. Maybe. He has a Starbucks. So speaking of Starbucks, Starbucks has earnings today. So does AMD. We have Apple tomorrow. New version of Beyond Meat burger arrives in grocery stores week of May 3rd. Beyond Meat. Dead stock. Starbucks. AMD at 86. Apple's up pre-market too into its earnings tomorrow, 135. I think NASDAQ is flat. Futures are flat. Yeah, they're pretty much flat. Neo. 43. Wow. GameStop's at 183. What's going on, Neo? Greens. Neo, yeah, Corey. Neo's at 43 pre-market. What's going on, Cupcakes? I miss you too. It's been a minute. Yeah, it's been a while. Let's see. What happened with MVIS? We were talking about this one yesterday on the video. Ooh, I just said be careful with this one. I think this has the potential to pull back just as fast as it went up. Maybe to 15 bucks, 20 bucks. But this stock has crappy fundamentals, and there really isn't any reason why this is soaring other than Wall Street bets. So just be careful. I appreciate that, Richard. Good luck at work.
Identifies. I am done. I mean, I'm the guy who likes to respond to people.
I know, but
Saw MVIS and you came to mind. Did you watch the video? Is that why? Triple bottom at Tesla here at 715. It looks like 715 is pretty decent support. Why would anyone listen to this guy? He was totally wrong about AMC. I was totally wrong. When I bought at 250, I was wrong. Get out of here. Get out of here. Let's remove the shills. Well, Wall Street Bets in the media saying Wall Street Bets loves the new meme stock. Yeah, that's the case. It can continue to go up higher. To me, is just too risky. There's just too much risk for a stock that has no fundamentals, no real catalyst other than Wall Street Bets. Be very careful. Be very careful. What's going on, Rafael? Good morning. Yeah, I sold AMC and it still dropped. It went to like $8. I was right and I'm wrong. No shills in the chat, baby. Bitcoin's at what, 50?
on things and ticks people off
CCIV.
one way or the other. I'll give you one more chance. I'll give you one more chance.
Yeah.
This is
Kramer,
GE.
baby.
Not a great quarter.
They don't care
for
about
GE as you take a look at CCIV, which is still doing all right, obviously down from the high 50s. He says he's proud of the GE team's solid first quarter results, does Larry.
CCIV's at 25 pre-market. We were at 23 yesterday. 24? 24. We'll see what this stock does. Kramer, I love GameStop. I need to see that pullback, Tesla. You guys think Tesla can hit 700 today? Oh man, There was a couple upgrades too yesterday, guys. All right, we have Credit Suisse. reiterates neutral on Tesla, announces 800 price target, 800, I'll take that. Oppenheimer raises price target to 1,080 from 1,036. I'll take that. Goldman Sachs adjusts Tesla's price target to 860 from 835. I'll take that. Maintains buy rating. Where's the other one? I think that was it. Oh yeah, and Cathie Wood yesterday, they bought more Coin. They keep buying Coinbase and they have not traded Tesla. And they bought some Shopify too. I don't know, Katie. I don't know. I do not know. Hopefully 200 plus for sure. Suddenly Green Day. What's going on, Kevin? Good morning. Good morning. Because keep in mind, we were kind of struggling last time at 180 for GameStop. We were around 180s for quite a while, and we were back at the same range. So this gives us another shot to go above 200. SPB, Spectrum. I love the daily. I love the daily. For 300 mil. It's a household cleaning company. No, 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 no. They acquired a household cleaning company for 300 mil. You're buying here the highs though. That's the thing. No, I don't like the 1 minute either. It's not volatile enough for me. Oh, do I think of Sundial? I won't touch Sundial anymore. This one, I sold this way back up here near the highs before it started getting halted. This was another MVIS play right here on Wall Street Bets, and look how fast it tanked too. So just be careful. Be careful. Uh, and then is that the NNDM? Is that MindMed? No, right? It's Nano Dimensions. Another acquisition, man. To acquire Micro Mechanics 3D printing leader, Nanofabrica. I guess that's a catalyst. Hmm. Doesn't really appeal to me, honestly. I'd have to really buy things on the dip, guys. You guys know I love buying things on on a discount. I love buying the blood. I love catching these falling knives. Xpeng, Viacom still 41. This guy's at 38.85. So I think Jordan Belfort is pumping. He says if you want pump, 5 days, get me to 500,000 followers by May 1st. This guy's a master marketer. He tagged Doge, SafeMoon, AMC, and GameStop. What's going on, John? Good morning. What a master marketer this guy is, Belfort. What's going on, Thomas? Good morning. Good morning. Ride. Oh. Oh, this is actually a good one. This looks like it's gonna shoot up, possibly to like 12 bucks. I'm actually interested. Let's take a look at the volume though. That's my only concern. Hmm. Let's set an alert. It has earnings on May 10th. What's going on, comedy? The Gifted Comedy. Earnings tomorrow for Discovery. Yes, tomorrow. Pre-market. Pre-market tomorrow. I'm sure the question has been asked this morning, but do you think Tesla will dump or regain? Hopefully dump, so it comes out for me. But it's holding around 715s. Honestly, we didn't see that much of a crazy move. We closed right around 730, so we're only at 718. Compared to other earnings where we just, whoo, it's more aggressive. You know I can't tell you the answer to that, man. KD, I'd be giving you financial advice. Let's wait. Let's wait. What do we got? We got 7 minutes left. All right, let's go. Let's go. That's the baby. I'm catching the dip. If it pulls back this morning, I'm gonna catch the dip. Hopefully, not another flat day for Tesla. Yesterday was pretty much flat. That's what makes me think it's not really gonna dump. Yeah, it's holding 715s, but if we see 700, things can get really bloody really quick. Tesla's that stock that once it starts selling off aggressively in the market open, it's just like a fulfilling prophecy. People start selling. And you keep in mind, Tesla's one of those stocks where you just have a ton of day traders.
6.5 minutes before we get started with trading. Of course, even more earnings to go over. Let's get to a mad dash where you're going to deal with some of that as well.
Yes, I'm going to talk about Raytheon, which is, of course, the base of the old United Technologies.
No, Kramer, no. Also, guys, Amazon is reportedly, there's a rumor for a stock split. Stock split on Amazon, that would be nuts. I would start day trading Amazon if it split. Can you imagine how many more people would want to be wanting to buy Amazon, more intrigued to trade it? Yep, once it picks its direction, then yeah, Tesla's that stock where once it goes its direction, it's gonna go that way. That's why we have these monstrous days where we just new high, new high, new high, midday high support levels. No really much of a big pullbacks. Even on the way down too. No way. Chipotle's not at 878. I was like, what? There's no way. It's above 1,000. No, yeah. Amazon was split out. I don't know, but it's rumored to be 10-1. I don't know. Apple's at 135. That rumor has been going around since Tesla split back in August. Wow. What was the other stock I was gonna watch? I was gonna pull up another stock. I lost my train of thought. What's that stock? What's that stock? What's that stock? Not Amazon. It was a good stock too. I lost my train of thought. What's going on? AL Jolly. Good morning. Good morning, Victor. Good morning. They have the Boeing CEO in a bit. Boeing has earnings too. This is another one I want to buy. Alrighty. We got what? We got 3 minutes. Can I check the AMC shorts, please? I'll pull it up really quick on FakeTel, aka Fintel. Let's see. AMC short squeeze rate according to Fintel is at 87 out of 100. It's showing 0. No, this is old though. This is from April 22. So they haven't updated it in 5 days. And the fee is not applicable as of 5 days, so you can't. I can't tell you anything, man. It's showing 0 for everything. Look, 0 for fee or not applicable, and 0 for shorts as of 4/22. What's the point of paying for this? I'm not gonna update this. What's going on, C3D? Good morning, Jayla. Good morning. Let's go. Let's go. We got 2 minutes. Tesla, come down from me, baby. Starbucks, let's take a quick glance. 108, is it $108? 115. Shout out to Starbs. Man, that daily, it's screaming pullback to like 100. We'll see on the earnings too. AMD has earnings. AMD's already pulling back. How's AMC? 1175. GameStop's at 184. We're going to pull up Tesla right here. And then we're going to pull up the overall market. We're going to pull up NASDAQ on this side. I want to see GameStop open though. We got 1 minute. I fat fingered 15 Tesla shares yesterday during yesterday at 7:32 instead of 7:22 during crazy after hours. Come save me or coming back for you. And that happens, man. I made the same mistake. I tried to buy 10 shares and I ended up buying 105 shares. And I took an L because I just sold. I sold right away. I did not want to wait for that stock to come back. And some people were saying, "Oh, just wait for it to come back," and it never came back. It continues to drop. That's the thing with Tesla. Like once it knows where it's going, oh man, it gets really aggressive too. That's the scary part of day trading Tesla. You might get that bounce, you might get that recovery soon, but if not, you're gonna have to clench your cheeks. GameStop over Nasdaq. You guys want GameStop on the right side? The thing is, if I'm gonna be day trading Tesla, it's like I need a new monitor or something. I could of course have 4 on here, but you can have as many stocks as you want on here, but of course they're gonna minimize. The charts are gonna minimize. Here we go. 12 seconds. I just messed up right there. Ah, now I have to redo all of this. I hate how it does this. I have to go back to the daily. I have to put the studies. I have to put my studies. I have to go on here. I have to put appearance, fill up, apply. Okay, there we go. Market open. Market open, baby. Tesla, what are you gonna do? 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 Shooting up. Okay, we're shooting. Come on, GameStop. Alrighty. Don't you dare give me FOMO, Tesla. Alright, GameStop pulling back 180s. Even if GameStop pulls back to like 170, I still see that uptrend there. I see that uptrend, baby. What's going on, Osvaldo? Good morning. Tesla earnings were great, but the market expected them to cure cancer or something, so it sold off. Tesla's just a high expectation. I mean, it's a growth stock, man. The valuation, I could agree, it's a little nutty. So, and then Elon was kind of tired. Did you guys get that vibe too? He was kind of like tired, worn out. I could kind of just sense it in the vibes. He was like kind of, he would be like, the other guy was trying to answer the question, right? And he'd be like, go ahead, because he cut him off, and he continued on to speak. He had his mic muted one time, and I don't know. I feel like it could have been better professionally or delivery wise. But that's Elon. That's Elon for you guys. There's going to be a pullback at open because of 750K shorts that we're getting dropped right now. Elon was not nervous. I guess he was just exhausted, man. He sounded like he was smoking weed with Joe Rogan. I think he's just tired. Think of all the things he has to balance. That's crazy. I don't know how he does it. He has the Boring Company, SpaceX, Tesla, a lot of things. 717, we're pulling back. GameStop pulling back to 179. Let's take a quick peek at AMC, 1184. Seems to me like AMC and GameStop are not following each other anymore. All right, Tesla, pull back, baby. Let's pull up NASDAQ really quick. Ooh, NASDAQ is bloody. Guys, futures are bloody so far. Red opening. Alrighty. We're pulling back, guys. We're pulling back. Triple bottom at 715. Tesla, are you going to crack under? Intel's also falling. Whoo! Alrighty. 715 again. This is the quadruple bottom on Tesla at 715. You guys see this? Moment of truth here. Moment of truth. All right, Nasdaq is bouncing. Let's take one last quick peek. Everything's falling. Ride. One of you guys brought up Ride earlier. Wait. What? This already triggered my alert. Oh, Tesla is bouncing off the quadruple bottom at 715. GameStop bouncing as well, 179. AMC 1204. Holy moly. No, AMC might go to $14, guys. This daily chart here is just screaming cup and handle. It might extend to $13, $14. It has that Vin Diesel news from yesterday, guys. The Fast and the Furious right here. When is that movie coming out though? Fast and Furious 9. We also had Mortal Kombat over the weekend, but GameStop is not. We're not in coherence with GameStop. This is your chance to buy more. No, Elon has that stutter. I think it's just because his brain's just so fast. You get me? Like his brain is processing so fast, his mouth can't keep up. Don't you guys have that sometimes? Like your mind's everywhere. You have a lot of thoughts, but you can't find a way to formulate or just speak your mind. Elon has never been a good public speaker. That's just who he is, man. Thoughts on Doge? Elon's gonna be on Saturday Night Live on May 8th. Also, he might pump Doge. Also, Mark Cuban is gonna be on the Ellen Show. Ellen Show, right? With Ellen DeGeneres, and he's gonna be talking about Dogecoin. He tweeted it out. I'll take a look. I'll pull it up for you guys. He tweeted it. So let's take a look at Dogecoin. What is it? Dogecoin at? Dogecoin was at bouncing off at 20 cents, which is surprising because we said we were waiting for that pullback and to see where it finds support. It's still at 27 cents. I have it here on my screen. It's still at 27 cents. Bitcoin's at 54, I believe. Tesla aggressively selling off here on the 1-minute candle. I like that momentum. I like that. All right, so it's still trying to bounce off 715. 715 seems to me like that's a support level. If it does come down under 17, like I said, things can get bloody. We might see 700. I don't know. Let's be patient. I don't think we'll see 700, man. Look at this. It's bouncing. No, yeah. I've heard some stuff about Ellen. I've read some stuff about Ellen. Some scary stuff. Look at this candle. Holy crap. Tesla doesn't know what it wants to do. Look, this is what I was talking about yesterday. Portnoy called him out for a pump and dump. He bought Bitcoin. He tweeted it. Bitcoin went up. He sold it. He made a profit. That seems like manipulation, you know? But we'll see what happens. Look at this aggressiveness on these candles. The volatility is here. I wonder what the volume is going to be like today for Tesla. GameStop as well, bouncing at 184. If we hold 180s for GameStop, big freaking dubs for GameStop. Big dubs. Fast and the Furious 9 comes out June 25th. What are we? April, May? Not far out. Also, guys, for the Power Hour stream, I have an exam for my environmental freaking biology class, whatever. I might be late to that stream. I'm gonna just try to rush it. You guys know I always leave that class early just to come stream Power Hour. I always just leave early. But I have an exam that I need to do, and I don't know how long it's gonna take. But I'll try to rush through that. Let's see. What do we got on Twitter? What do we got on there? Keep in mind, tomorrow we have Jerome Powell. We have Mr. Biden tomorrow for his State of the Union address in the evening too. So you might get a push on clean energy stocks, maybe even Tesla. Tesla for sure might see a push. I think we might YOLO some shares tomorrow and take that bet. Viacom might break 43. Oh my gosh. I think Viacom's ready. It might be time to buy some Viacom and Discovery, guys. I might pull the trigger soon. This is holding now. This is now holding 42s. Let's give it one more day. Or should we get till Friday? Because I know we have earnings around the corner. I don't know how comfortable I'd feel. Tesla's just eating up this dip, man. That's nuts. GameStop, 184. Futures, however, are telling a different story. House Spy. Yeah, 417 we're red on that too. But like we mentioned before, Tesla decides to not follow the market some days, and it just decides to be its own beast. But we'll see what happens. Go back to GameStop, 185. Good afternoon, Harry. I have to scroll back up. Give me 1 second. I missed some of the chats. I've been working recently. Haven't been able to watch it. No worries, man. Grind, baby. Hustle. Your work comes first. Your work comes first. Bitcoin's at 53.54. Yeah, Bitcoin actually bounced. I like that. I like this freaking GameStop. Oh, this is what I'm talking. This is what we need. We need that volatility. This is back. It's back. The volume's back. Tesla pushing 722. Oh my gosh, Tesla is gonna push right here aggressively. Look at the aggressiveness on the candles. The volatility. Damn. I love that. I love that. You jumping in on ride? Not yet. AMC is ripping. Yeah, AMC is like above $12 right now. Probably 12.20. 12.22. I think even if GameStop hits 200 today, that's gonna help AMC too. 723.67 on Tesla. That's nuts. Oh, what's going on, William? What's going on? F exams, you don't need schooling. Like, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be really honest. Like, I don't find any like point in that and like the exams and stuff. Like, I promise you, I won't remember anything next week from anything from this class or whenever I graduate. I'm not gonna remember anything at all. Like, I'm not gonna remember all the principles and all these environmental principles and whatnot. I'll remember some things, but for the most part, it's like I took a stats class last year, and I probably don't remember like 90% of the things there. I passed the class, but I don't remember, you know? I think experience is more valuable. Like, I've learned more going out and doing stuff and failing. That sticks more than like classwork. Like going out and experiencing things, like failing, having pain, and just meeting mentors and people and actually working with people. I think that's 100 million or more times valuable than school. That's just me though. I might be wrong. 186 GameStop. Tesla's indecisive here. It's either going to push up more, maybe 730s, or it's going to pull back and say, Ralph, it's your time to enter, baby. Hop in. Stream from your phone? Oh, what do you mean, Robert? You guys want me to stream me taking my exam? I'm even taking like this business law class, right? I'm taking this business law class. It's on Fridays, and it's during power hour. And I told my professor like I can't attend this, you know. I didn't tell her I'd stream on YouTube, but I was like I can't do this. And she let me slide. And I have like a 200% class. Like I'm passing that class like 200%. I have a 200% in that class. Exactly, connections. That's all it is. Connections is probably one of the most important things there. You never know. My major, I'm going for business administration. Business administration. All right, there we go. Pulling back Tesla. Oh, Nasdaq. Nasdaq. We're sinking here, guys. Apple, AMD, AMD, AMC, GME, 183. I'm not seeing that dip I want here on Tesla, guys. I'm not seeing that. The answer is C. Jen, that's a pretty decent level 2 for GameStop, 212. We've been seeing resistance at those levels, 180, 200, 212. I agree, I agree. Good morning, Thorsten. Guys, the Nasdaq is pulling back. Let's see, we see a bounce here. How's the 5 minute on Tesla? All right, we're going to oversold territory back at 715. This 5 minutes, it's indecisive. Look, it goes from green to red, green to red. What is this 5 minute going to close at? It has 2 minutes, a minute and 30 seconds on the candle. Let's wait and see. Actually, it's a 15. That's not the 5. That is not the 5. That's a 15. I'm sorry about that. 718 still. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. There might be some more room for downside. I want to be very patient. I want to like nail Tesla. I want to be like, damn, I bought near the bottom. I bought near the bottom. Nasdaq, another leg down. All right, there we go. It looks like we might have another leg down here on Nasdaq. There we go. Still pulling back. Tesla 716. All right, 750. Notice we had this yesterday, guys. Tesla does this too. It has to push at market open and then it starts reversing. Look what happened yesterday. 749 and then reversed. That's another pattern I'm noticing on Tesla that I've seen before too. Very interesting. Let's go to the 5 really quick. 719.29. Okie dokie. Let's wait. Let's wait. MVIS is dead. I said be careful on Microvision. Ooh, yeah, this stock is running on nothing, guys. And the fundamentals on this stock are poo-poo. This is literally the FOMO and just FOMO. This push was FOMO. But these FOMO plays, these stocks like this have legs. It could have won at 50 bucks. It could have won 100. Nobody really knows. It's just too risky. It's just too risky. It does look oversold though. This makes me want to dip buy it here, but it's just too risky. I'd rather just dip buy something like Tesla. I feel more comfortable trading the dip on Tesla than doing it on Microvision. All right, there we go. We're cracking under new low. A new low on Tesla is not a meme. We've broken the triple bottom here on the 5. We look a little oversold. Should we wait for 700? Maybe 700, or should we start buying here? All right, we're still pulling back. 713. Oh, Canaccord January adjusts Tesla's price target to 974 from 1071. Maintains buy rating. That is not the best, but still pulling back. A new low is not a meme. A new low is not a meme. 712.91. All right, we might see the bounce here. Or it might continue on downward. Let's see. Watch before you wanna hop and test it for day trade. Notice how strong the bounces are before you buy. So look, notice this bounce. You want to also keep that in mind so you know how strong we are on the day for the bounces. Because some days Tesla does not bounce and it continues to flush. This might be another one of those days. Look at this. New low. Bounce is weak. Nasdaq is still selling off. It's trying to catch itself here. Alrighty, let's enter with 5 shares right around now. All right, fill me. It's still dropping. It's still dropping. 711. We got filled in at 712. It's still dropping. 712.10. 711. 710. New low. Let's buy more now. All right, we got filled in. We have 10 shares on average price 711. It's still dropping. 709. This is an ugly drop. Nasdaq is just bleeding. Is this affecting GameStop? AMC? Yeah, the market has just went poo-poo right now. Apple's tanking. Apple's falling. Everything's falling, guys. Everything is falling out of nowhere. Tesla is just bleeding. 700 is right around the corner, but I'm willing to take that risk. Oh my gosh. All right, where's my bounce at? Where's my bounce? Give me my tendies, man. This is probably Powell flip. Powell's on today. Oh, is it a double? Is it double? Is it today and tomorrow? I think you're right. Yeah, the whole market just is dumped. It just dumped. I'm buying Tesla 790. Yeah, we're just playing the bounce here. A lot of people became Microvision millionaires on Yahoo Finance and Wall Street Bets forums, assuming they sold. Other people just bought the top. You got both sides, man. You got people who get in early. They make a lot of money. That's like the best feeling, like right there. Like when you make that type of like life-changing money, you don't want to make the same mistake I did and just blow the bag. Like lock in those profits and just you could always come back later. And there's people who buy the top and they get burned. So you got both sides. Tesla's looking weak as heck right here. Not looking good. Not good. Oh my gosh. New low on Tesla is not a meme. I've been burned a few times. Yeah, those burns never, they leave a mark on you, you know? They never leave you. Those are the best type of experiences. Like, you probably remember, and this is just like, who here remembers more their losses than they do their wins? I'm pretty sure you remember your biggest loss more because they sting. Humans are like that. They remember the pain, they remember the losses more than they do the wins. The losses are magnified more than wins in life. And this applies to the stocks. So let's see Twitter. What is Kramer saying? Oh, 3M has earnings today, I think. We have WPF CEO. WPF CEO. Market is bouncing. It's trying to. It's trying to catch itself here. SPY 417. No, guys, the market is still flushing. It still wants to have another leg down. Tesla too. The market's looking weak right now. Man, it's a fire sale going on right now. It's a fire sale. We have 10 shares. We're down 40. We're down $40 right now. But I'll gladly keep on buying Tesla on the dip. What are we on the 30-minute? We're at 707. Yeah, 700 seems to be the next whole number, guys. After that, boy, are we flushing to like 670s. Some of you guys said you guys want to get in at 690, right? All right, look at this Nasdaq continuing its legs down. Tesla shares see session lows. It's exactly what we're waiting for, but it looks to me like we're bouncing now. Let's wait and see. All right, we'll put an alert here. We'll buy more shares if it comes down. It's Tuesday. It'll recover by Friday. Yeah, we might get that push tomorrow too. Actually, you know what? I think I might just hold these 10 shares for the rest of the week. If we rebound from here. If it keeps on coming lower, the plan's gonna change. But as of now, we're not. We don't have a bad price. 7-Eleven, not bad at all. 7-Eleven. Yeah, good experiences don't tend to leave scars. Home Depot is rocketing back up. Home Depot's a safe stonk. Of course, it's gonna have this momentum upward. Walmart, what's Walmart too? Walmart's barely green too. Nasdaq is trying to bounce. I love to see that. Alrighty, we're almost broken even on our shares here. So let's wait. That was a good dip. That was a pretty good dip. This was a good dip for this is day trader paradise. 100%. Especially on a stock like Tesla. Can't beat that. Ooh, Nasdaq is not looking strong, guys. I think there's another leg down. Maybe a new low. Ooh, we double topped here at the highs on Nasdaq futures, and we're still selling off. Holy moly. It's still pulling back. Market, stop. Stop. Just bounce. There we go. Even AMC is bouncing. Come on, GameStop. GameStop's holding this up, like I said. 180s, fat dubs. If we close at 180. Nasdaq is still selling off. How about SPY? 416s. Catch yourself, baby. Catch yourself. All right, Tesla's trying to find support at 709. Let's give it some time. And the price of lumber. Did you guys see the wheat? The wheat prices? Talk about inflation, man. Only sitting on Bitcoin. The Bitcoin of merchandise right now. You think Tesla is done dropping? For now, yeah, it's trying to hold around 710, 709. But we've seen this before, man. Tesla just tries to hold itself and then next leg down, aggressive next leg down. So if Tesla does not hit, I would say 713 in the next coming minutes. It might flush. That's just the way I see it. There's aggressive momentum on the way down too. It's all gonna be dependent on these Tesla bulls, baby. Where are my dip buyers? Where are my day traders? NQ is starting to turn around. Give it some time. This might actually pull back even more. This is such an ugly sell-off. MVIS shorts are happy. I think even yesterday we were like, let's short Microvision. I don't want to get squeezed though. Are you going to get back into AMC at any point? Yes, I'm just still patiently waiting. I said May 4th and then it has earnings on May 6th. So maybe even May 7th. I don't know. I'm still waiting. I feel like I'd be really chasing AMC at this point if I'm buying back in here. The last thing I want to do is buy because I want to redeem myself and because I want people to like me again. Like no, bro. Like, you know. Am I shadow ban? No, Gabriel, we can see you. If I don't read your message, I just miss it sometimes. I miss the chat sometimes. Because I also have my Twitter pulled up right here and I scroll through Twitter. Let's see what the news is popping. What are people talking about? Stocks lower today with many good earnings reports to come. The Fed doing nothing. Markets seem poised to go higher. Jumping on the Warren Business Daily at 7:15 a.m. Pacific. In about what 20 minutes. Talking Tesla, GameStop, and earnings. I appreciate that, Games. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the real ones here watching. You guys respect, you know? Respect. Respect. Alrighty, GameStop still, I mean, Tesla is still dabbling here. There's no direction just yet. Like we said, if we don't hit 713 in the next minutes, next couple seconds, we're not looking good. We're not looking good. We might have 700 today. GameStop, similar situation, except GameStop is a little tighter on the EMA. So this has a higher chance of just shooting up to 182 than Tesla does. Tesla, come on, baby. Come on. What's the volume on GameStop, guys? Anybody have the volume on hand for GameStop? Wait. What questions for Rob? Yeah, there's also like a 5-second delay on the stream too. Remember we used to have that 30-second delay? And we used to stream at 720 quality, 720p. I don't know how you guys kept up with that. The fact The fact that you don't care whether I or anyone else likes you makes me like you. Only God can judge me, baby. Hit 1 million volume under 5 minutes. It's at 2.7 mil. I like that. I like that. All right. Tesla, bringing me down, baby. Come down for more. Come down for more. Come on, come on. 707.64. Nasdaq is not bouncing just yet. A new low is not a meme on Tesla. What is he going to do? What is he going to do? Oh, was that a fake out? Is it going to bounce now? It's holding itself pretty decently at 709. What is it going to do? Make up your mind. Let's see, Twitter. What do we have trending on Twitter? Under politics, we have trending cashier. Do you prefer self-checkout at the grocery store or use a cashier? Gavin Newsom's trending. Momentum is trending. What? Momentum? That has to do with stocks, right? Let's see. Yeah, stocks, basketball, AMC, OCGN, Waze. That's the app for navigation, right? That's trending. Waze technology. Child Protective Services is trending. Hashtag be love. Oh yeah, DMX passed away like 2 weeks ago, I believe. Rest in peace. I appreciate that, Keith. No worries, no worries. All right, there we go. Let's take a look at GameStop really quick. Oh my gosh. Did not hold 177. Let's, like I said, let's go for 180 closely on GameStop. If it's not gonna be rallying to 200, hold that support level. Nasdaq not looking healthy either. A new low down. There we go. Another leg down on Nasdaq. Another leg down. All right, it's make or break, Tesla, right here. This candle, make or break. It's gonna pull back, new low, or it's gonna shoot up. One of these candles. Come on, come on. Make up your mind. Where are you going? That was my 5 minute. This is oversold on the 5 too. Rob, you should do a most interesting man image for your channel. That would be epic. Would fit. I don't know what that is. Most interesting man. I do not know what. Where's Jamer? He's right here. Can you, he's laying down. He's sleeping. He says he doesn't like the market right now. He says Tesla new low is not a meme. There we go. Tesla made up its mind. It's following Nasdaq really tightly too. So let's wait and see. Let's buy. I want to buy more, but it's so close to 700 that it makes me a little uneasy. Like I want to see 700, but then let's just like, is it gonna hit 700? That's a commercial, huh? I know you hated it every time a TIRX is up 50% for the day. Turks. I didn't hate this. I thought we said this might cup and handle. Hmm. Yeah, that's interesting. This reminds me of Viacom, Netflix, Discovery. This is just a dead cat right here. A dead cat bounce. Yeah, 700 will be stop losses hitting. That's why I'm a little patient. It's just too close to 700. J Powell fight is going to affect this market a lot. Yeah, Nasdaq took another leg down, but we're bouncing now. Tesla's back again to 710. So it doesn't even know what it wants to do. Look at this. 7-11 now. Oh, we're bouncing. GameStop, you bouncing too, baby? Yes, 178. Back to those same levels. How's AMC? 1185 still. There we go. Tesla, we're in the green. We're kind of teasing in there. SPY. All right, we're bouncing. We are bouncing. This is the trampoline. This is the trampoline. GameStop volume 3 mil. What do you think Dr. Burry's price target is for Tesla? It's probably back down to 400. Burry was bearish on Tesla right before it got included in the S&P 500. There we go. We're finally printing some small tendies on Tesla. We kind of timed the bat too. You guys see this? You can never really time it perfectly. It went to 706 and we got in a 711. So you can never really time it. Never. Paper-handed Ralphie. I'll buy AMC and I'll sell it again just to piss you off. VIX is dipping. Really? No, the VIX is not dipping. Oh, it's slightly dipping, but the VIX should go up as the Nasdaq drops. Oh, it's chest day today, baby. Do you guys recommend like a chiropractor? I feel like I heard that they leave you feeling like brand new. Like I've never gone. I've just always like like procrastinated. Like when they pull your head. Have you seen those videos? I know I'm not the only one on YouTube. Where they pull your head and like you can feel it all the way down to your ass. MVIS crashing further. I guess we kind of predicted this one, right? Just there's a lot of people that are gonna get burned on this stock. It has to come down, man. What goes up must come down. This is gonna be one of those stocks that in a couple days it's gonna be back. It's gonna shoot back up. Microvision. I could already sense it. I could really already sense that stuff. That bounce. Next coming days. Oh, Microvision is up another so and so percent today. Tesla, let's go, baby. Come on. Come on, Tesla. Do something. How are we on the 5? We're going to go hit 714 right now. We're going to 714 on Tesla. I can feel it. I can feel it. 714, here we come. Come on, NASDAQ. Help it. Help it out. Help it out. NASDAQ still under EMA. Do you ever set trailing stops? No. Trailing stops, no. I usually just get out of them and sell. I don't like holding and not being able to monitor it unless I'm just swinging it and just have alerts. I have alerts to have an idea of where the price is at. I have to go golfing. Will you watch my stocks for me, Ralph? Set some alerts, man. Alerts are the way to go. Alerts are the way to go. There we go. Come on, Tesla. Show me 714, baby. Show me that 5-minute EMA. If it's a chiropractor recommended to you by someone who uses the okay, but otherwise I say go get a deep tissue massage. Get a rack of spikes to lay on. That's the only thing I'm worried about because that happened to my dad. He went to go, I think, to a chiro or whatnot, and they messed him up. That was not good at all. So that's why I've always been like, eh. So Nuggies not tendies before she drops again. Let it drop, baby. I love Tesla when it drops. Like, I don't mind losing money on Tesla if it drops, just because I know the opportunity is there. Like when this stock dropped to freaking 539, right around here. Oh man. That was a nutty time. That's just like an opportunity screaming right there in your face. But we had already timed this so bad. We got in way too early, way too pretty much aggressively. And I was just like, I'm gonna ride these shares out. And we made back all of our loss, plus like $600 I think we made, which is bad, horrible for the timing. Come on, Tesla. You're having some resistance at 713. We need to hit 714. AMC running again. 1190s is that resistance. It's like GameStop around 180s. That resistance is there. SPY 417. All right, here we go. This is the moment of truth for NASDAQ. Either continuation on downward or we start bouncing here. Paul says, I hit that dip late, but I still made money. Paul, are you talking about Tesla? China has been replacing some corn with wheat due to the high price. OnlyFans is still crushing it. Revenue grew 553% to 390 million in the year ending in November. Its user base grew from less than 20 million to more than 120 million. Holy sh! Over 300 creators earned more than 1 million in 2020. Wow. Congrats to all those creators that are collecting the bag on OnlyFans. Listen to Portnoy.
To do. We got 2 minutes with Elon Musk yesterday. Listen, I own Bitcoin. I'm the proud owner of a Bitcoin. And as the proud owner of a Bitcoin, some saying the new baron of Bitcoin, I'm paying attention. So Tesla had their earnings. They're down a little bit, right? And Tesla, they bought Bitcoin. They sold Bitcoin. They made a shit ton of money. They don't make money selling cars yet, but they're one of the greatest trade. They're basically an investment firm. Good for the stock price, I guess, if you don't care how they make money. I tweeted out just to keep everybody on the up and up, right? So am I understanding this correctly? At Elon Musk buys Bitcoin, then he pumps it, which he did. It goes up, then he dumps it, makes a fortune. Listen, I own one Bitcoin, and I'm way up on it since I bought it. But Bitcoin is exactly who we thought it was. Just don't be the last one holding the bag. I mean, Bitcoin is a cult. People pump, 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 pump. You don't know when they dump, 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 dump. With Tesla, you do because it's a public company, so you got to put on the record. And listen, I want Bitcoin to go up. I own a Bitcoin. The baron of Bitcoin is back, and I'm never going to sell. I'm just going to hold this thing. And I'm an Elon fanboy. I like Elon. Elon replies. He also donated $1 million to the Barstool Fund. So I am an Elon guy. I'm a Bitcoin guy first and foremost. And when I think I see lettuce hands, I can slice them off. Elon responds to me. No, you do not. I have not sold any of my Bitcoin. I think he means personal. We don't know what he has. Tesla has sold 10% of its holdings, essentially to prove liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative to holding cash on balance sheet. So he's saying he can just prove that he can cash his Bitcoin out. I didn't even know that was a question. You better be able to do it. You're going to spend billions, not be able to get it out? He says he's doing it to prove. I say, if you think Bitcoin's going up, why would you ever sell? Unless you have little lettuce hands, little paper hands, something I know nothing about. These hands, diamond, rock hand. Don't know anything about it. So I own that Bitcoin. It's so far deep in the ether, I couldn't pull it out of my ass if I wanted to. That's how long I'm going to hold it. Whatever. I like Elon. Little back and forth. A couple CEOs just chopping it up on social media on Twitter. That's fine.
He has a point, guys. Like, I love Elon too, but that was like a pump and dump. That was like I'm gonna be real. You guys know, I keep it real. Like that was pump and dump. He bought, he tweeted, it went up, and he dumped some. He made profit. Oh man, paper hands. Yeah, he did. He did paper hands too. He's the ultimate paper hands, and he bought back because everyone went against him. Portnoy bought back into GameStop and AMC because he got so much hate. He did it to please people. F that. F that. He did. Elon replied to his tweet. Portnoy tweeted at Elon yesterday, and Elon replied. Oh, man. You gotta love Twitter. All right, Tesla's back down, guys. Tesla is back down to 708. GameStop, AMC's back to 11.95. So we're kind of in there on 12 bucks. Freaking coffee, man. Ugh. So we did not see 714 here on Tesla on the 5. That was a big no-no. All right, now we wait for more lows. New lows on Tesla. Let's see that. Let's see that. What's going on, Ragnar? No bananas. I don't think I have bananas. I'm gonna go buy some. Says yes, Diamond has. All right, what's Netflix at? 509. We're still waiting for 500 on this bad boy. You guys think we see sub 500? Oh, Viacom new high. Yeah, AMC's at 12 still. Let's go, baby. GameStop 179. What's Neo at? 41. Neo has earnings this week, guys. We're going to be streaming those earnings. Who here has Neo? Who's trading Neo? Who's holding Neo? Who plans to buy some Neo? Gotta love them EVs, man. AMD and Amazon gain. All right. There we go. Tesla is dropping again. Oh, an ugly leg down on NASDAQ. NASDAQ continues to sell off. Nilo is not a meme. Nilo is not a meme. Keep in mind, the first quarter is usually the slowest quarter for Tesla. Oh my gosh. How's Apple? Apple's aggressively pulling back too. We were shorting Apple. I can't believe that. And Neo at 36. There we go. Don't want to average up. Yeah, wait for the pullback. Maybe you might get. I think we might see a dip on Neo for earnings, just like we did on Tesla. Who knows? Morning, Ruff. Good morning, NTB. I'm just here working. Can't message, but I'm listening. I appreciate that. No need to message. No need. There's no need. Don't go out of your way. I appreciate that, though. Damn, it does not want to come down. It's like teasing us, guys. The market pulls back and then it starts bouncing. It's messing with us. Let's take a look at the heat map really quick. Kind of mixed. Home Depot's right here. HD, Home Depot. Amazon. Oh, why are you bouncing, man? Xpeng. 3163. Oh, my airlines. Red. Such a patience game, man. We're waiting for new lows on Tesla. Give me new lows. Hey, I donated before to tell you, please don't act surprised when the market tanks when GameStop goes up. We've known their inverses for some time now. Negative beta. Buy order in 15 shares for Tesla at 706. I think you just got filled in, right? Yeah, 706, 56. Then we hit 754 today. All right, new low is not a meme. I guess you're going to 700, man. We're going to 7 bills on Tesla. It's still trying to bounce. Yeah, you got filled in at 706. Well, you're back to break even here, but let's wait and see. Let's check Twitter really quick. What do we got trending? New low, baby. Tesla shares are trading lower following Q1 earnings results. While the company beat estimates, CEO Elon Musk said the company experienced supply chain difficulties and faced issues getting parts. That's true. And it's bouncing again. All right, there we go. It's pulling back now. All right, Nilo, come on. Nilo is not a meme. Stop bouncing. Come to 700 for us. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people also waiting for sub 700. MVIS 2157. How about OCGN? This is another one. 1032. I'm just gonna wait it out, guys. I'm gonna ride these shares out. Nothing crazy. If it does come under 705, it'd be really close to 700. I'm like torn. I don't know if I want to buy above 7 again or just wait for sub 700 and wait for those stop losses to get triggered and then enter. That's gonna be dictated by the overall market, the Nasdaq. Today feels like we should wait for the bottom and then buy. Yeah, I don't know. The thing is, you don't know if this is the bottom. You don't know if 705.23 is the bottom for Tesla today, and this is the reversal. It's still we're not even an hour into the market open, and there's still a long time. These are decisions that just frustrate you sometimes. Keeping my eyes firmly on the VIX. Yeah, if the market keeps on flushing, VIX is gonna rock it up. Why is it falling? Because Tesla always does this. Tesla, we talked about this yesterday. It starts to fade off a couple days after earnings, and then it starts reversing back up. So maybe start grab some Viacom instead. Oh, we're gonna grab some Viacom. We're just waiting patient. We're just too patient on Viacom and Discovery. Tesla's the real one. I wanna catch some shares on that. I wanna get that dip. Apple double bottom jumping in, Ralph, should be right now at 134.56 long. We bought the dip on Apple yesterday too. I'd wait for earnings. Apple earnings are on Wednesday. I think there's more downside for Apple. Alrighty, looks like we have another push up here on Nasdaq and on Tesla 708. Seven oh eight, 709. Oh, this is the bottom. You guys think 705 was the lowest point today for Tesla, or do you guys think we see 700? What do you guys think? I want to hear what you guys think. Anticipation for earnings for revisit to 138. I think we've already seen the push. Michael, I might be wrong, but I think we've already seen that earnings run, earnings hype for Apple already. I think that's already priced in. I think it's probably going to trade sideways, unless the market overall Nasdaq continues to sell off into its earnings day, which is on Wednesday after hours, which of course we are going to be streaming. You gotta love Apple, man. Apple, if I'm not mistaken, it's the largest company, two trillion market cap, I believe. Let me see what. I think that's a Saudi company actually that has the largest market cap. Let me see. What is the largest market cap company in the world? The market cap of 1.68 trillion in 2022 is Saudi Aramco. Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Google. I need a number. Oh, Apple, 2.2. It is Saudi, right? Yeah, I had a feeling. I guess number 2 is Apple, 2.2 trillion. You just gotta love Apple, man. Robert, this is not a 42. Nah, Tesla comes back to 400. If Tesla hits those prices, I'm just gonna have to like be risky and just size in pretty good on Tesla and just ride it out, man. Either we're gonna win big or lose big. I'm willing to take that bet. Tesla's boring me, man. Let me see. Yahoo Finance. What's the volume on Tesla? Let's take a look at GameStop. What's the volume on GameStop first? 179 still. Seems to me like things are flattening out right now. GameStop volume is 3.7 mil. Tesla, give me that volume. What are you at? 11.3 million. Makes you smile. Do you regret selling AMC? No and yes. I think we saw Tesla low. I am biased with my order at 706. Apple some room to go down around earnings, but it will always bounce back. Yeah, I agree. I agree. All right, another leg down? Really? Really? Come to me. Come to Papa. How's Peloton? 100? 101. Oh, 101. All right, we're stair stepping down on Tesla now. Make up your mind. JP Morgan to open U.S. offices to all employees on Monday, May 17, subject to company's current 50% occupancy capacity. If anything, it has taught me to not jump in too quick. All right, that was a fake little red candle we had here. We're not going anywhere so far. We're gonna end it here, guys. If you guys did enjoy this, make sure you slap a like. We're almost at 69 likes. Let's go. I'm gonna leave you guys with Tesla 708. If Tesla does drop under 700, you guys know who's gonna be buying. I know I do a lot of the trades, a lot of the trades offline. Sometimes I don't get the opportunity to trade online, but I'm still gonna buy it under 700 for Tesla. I don't know necessarily just yet for Neo or Apple. I'm gonna wait for the earnings, which we are gonna be streaming. But for Tesla, you guys know, I don't think it'll hit sub 700, but if it does, I'll be here buying, baby. I bought Tesla at 717. It's now at 707. Make sure you watch NASDAQ. You start to get a feel for the market, where we're going. See how we have the aggressive sell-off, and now we're kind of baselining here. We're kind of finding some support. Make sure you watch the Make sure you always watch the overall market. Know where that direction is headed. Know the sentiment. Oh, I have an exam. I forgot. Yeah, I think I told you guys, right? Yeah, there's an exam. I have an exam. I might be late for Power Hour. I might be late. So, but I'll be on. And if anything, let's see. We'll stream AMD earnings and Microsoft. And Google. I mean AMD, Microsoft, Google, Visa, Starbucks after hours, guys. Earnings. So to make it up for you guys for being late, we'll stream all those earnings after hours. We'll stay a little longer, and then we'll have a video out Wednesday after the market closes, covering Apple, which has earnings on Wednesday, which we are gonna stream. And we have Boeing before the market opens tomorrow, and Shopify and Spotify. Let's go. Wingstop. Let's go. Stream during the exam and we'll Google. You wouldn't like that. That's one of the reasons I'm in school right now too, because of the whole Zoom situation. The whole Zoom situation. You could just at your own pace. I love that. I love that. Oh, let's check Webull really quick. I need more free shares on WPF. I doubt it though. Yeah, no free shares on WPF. Look at Gamestop really quick. Ooh, we're shooting up 183. Cancel exam, you should be teaching them. No, I'm not credible. I appreciate that, George from Paramount, baby. All right. Time to go steady. No, time to hit chest, baby. It's chest day today. Hit legs. Yesterday, I'll leave you guys to it. Thank you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go slap that like button, baby. And I'll see you guys. Power hour.